Yeah, I don't think I've done a proper video on this car. He's got a lot of work done to it. Today we have a mod's beautiful STI, and we're replacing the turbo because the Jean went bad. What size turbo is this thing?
The GTX30 Gen 2. So we're replacing the turbo because on the turbo on the car, the wastegate actuator rod snapped off in the exhaust housing, and unfortunately they won't sell you just the exhaust housing. You have to buy the whole turbo. Now, the exhaust housing isn't a Garret housing, so yeah. So anyways, yeah, here we are, gonna replace the whole turbo, and then yeah.
That's about it, right? Anything else? What's this?
That's about it.
This new fancy.
Oh, that's just a new turbo inlet pipe.
Why'd you get a new one?
The other one's a little beat.
We got a little bit of this install process for you, and we'll be back when she's back on. There she goes, the old sucker.